Bitcoin has been consolidating in this range for almost over 3 days now. And this is going to be your last chance, because anytime soon we are going to be creating a massive breakout. So get ready, because you do not want to miss out on this next Bitcoin move. As well, we need to be talking about Ethereum, because Ethereum is breaking out. So can we once again push up that like button above the 60 likes? That would be amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And in the imminent short term, Bitcoin is actually quite boring. It is really the altcoins that have been popping off and have been very exciting in the last couple of days. But Bitcoin right here is just consolidating and making itself ready for the next massive move. So yeah, because Bitcoin is kind of doing nothing right here, it has been kind of consolidating and getting squeezed inside of this support and this resistance. As you can be seeing, we are kind of bouncing off in this area. At the same time, also in the imminent short term, creating some kind of a symmetrical triangle. Well, we are going to be creating a massive breakout anytime soon. We just want to have a look into which direction we are more likely to break in towards. And I can already tell you, for me, this next move is going to be very obvious. So that is exactly where we want to have a look in towards right now. During this consolidation, at the same time, we are piling up that liquidity on that top side, also a little bit of that liquidity on the downside, but especially we can be seeing that majority of that liquidity is definitely sitting on the upside. And another signal is that during this consolidation as well, we can be seeing that the funding rates have actually gone back to neutral areas. So it has actually been sitting in this dangerous area, but right now the funding rates are actually getting cooled off and right now coming back in towards neutral areas. So these metrics are already kind of making me feel a little bit more bullish, but we have more, because still Tether is being printed, and I have been saying all of the time, while Tetherists continue to be printing, well, I'm going to be remaining to be bullish on the Bitcoin price. I remain to think that we are going to be holding our uptrend as long as Tether is being printed. So that is looking very good. More liquidity is being injected in the market, and at the same time, the spot Bitcoin ETFs are right around the corner. We are only about 2 weeks out, in my opinion. BlackRock is right now as well planning to seed its spot Bitcoin ETF with 10 million, and every single day we are getting more and more bullish news and bullish developments with the spot Bitcoin ETFs. And because of this, the narrative is right now bullish. We are definitely in this uptrend, and I definitely do think we are going to be continuing to hold this uptrend. We are going to be seeing more and more pumps happening leading in towards this event, because, well, everyone is kind of anticipating a huge pump to happen at the acceptance of the spot Bitcoin ETF. So yeah, more upside potential as we are getting more bullish news from our spot Bitcoin ETFs. So it is going to be very easy for me, in my opinion. I'm still going to be bullish right here. I'm going to be awaiting a breakout towards the upside. I'm going to be waiting for this massive short squeeze to occur. And before talking about my targets, I'm definitely only going to be interested in trading this breakout towards the upside, not towards the downside, because in my opinion, that is too risky, and the risk to reward is not worth it for me to trade it towards the downside. So I myself am going to be having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle. Whenever this one breaks out towards the upside, I'm going to be looking forward to entering my trades. And if you are as well going to be interested in trading, make sure to check out that link in the description, because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bybit. So check this one out. Create your account right now on Bybit and claim your free $1,000 trade on Bybit. And as you guys all already know, my longer term target has always already been the $48,000 level for this cycle. I think from off that point, we are going to be seeing a larger correction, but definitely the $48,000 level is going to be one take profit level where I'm going to be taking majority of my profits. Now, I am already going to be taking some profits from off the 46k level, because definitely I do think a lot of resistance is coming from that level already. But just my longer term targets have always already been the 48,000 US dollar level. Literally back when we were still trading at about the 20,000 US dollar level, I was already talking about this 48k level, which was going to be my target. Now Ethereum has kind of been bouncing off towards the upside right here because it has been creating this massive breakout out of this falling wedge where we have been talking about for many times. Now we are also bouncing off quite perfectly from this previous resistance right now turning into what support, which is looking very good. Now my longer term target for Ethereum has for a very long time been this 3.5k level, which is going to be this previous drop off point. Now Ethereum against Bitcoin is still kind of declining, it's still in a massive downtrend. Now we are hitting this support level, but we are not really getting a massive bounce just yet. So yeah, massive decision moment for Ethereum. Are we going to be breaking this downtrend? Well, that is going to be absolutely beautiful for Ethereum. And guys, with that being said, the most important thing to right now have a look in towards is going to be this short-term symmetrical triangle. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.